Good morning, children. Today we are going to see our third unit, force. In this unit, we will learn about simple movements and actions, force, effects of force, types of force, and friction. Now, let's see about our first topic, simple movements and actions. Change in position of an object is called movement. In the first picture, you can see players moving the ball to the goal point, and this change in position of the ball is called movement. Next, what is action? Action is the movement which gives the required result. In the second picture, you can see a girl shows her hand or action to start. The dog starts pedaling and the bicycle moves. So, action is the movement which gives the required result. Now, let's see about motion. When an object or a thing moves from one place to another, it is said to be in motion. In the first picture, you can see a pendulum moving to and forth. In the second picture, you can see a man walking from one place to another place. The next one is force. Force is a push or pull of an object which make it move, changes its shape or stops it from moving. In the picture, you can see both push and pull of an object. Now, let's see about what is push. When the force is applied in the direction of an object, it is called push. For example, in this picture, you can see a man pushing the box towards front, and that is the direction of the object. Now, let's see about what is pull. When a force is applied in the direction opposite to the object, it is called pull. In the first picture, you can see a boy opening the door of fridge or pulling it. In the second picture, you can see a boy pulling a wheel cart towards himself. That is, the direction of the force is opposite to the object. That's all for today's class. Thank you all.